now before you run off, I gotta have a pre-upper interview.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah, pre-upper interview.
Talk to me. What's the plan today?
The plan is to have it go better than it went at Spring Fling 4 or 5 months ago. Made it through 3 rapids, ended up swimming PB&J and took off the river. Got twice the experience now. Hopefully that'll come into play here and I'll have a good fun day on the upper and I'll be able to go back tomorrow for the 450 release and have some more fun.
Absolutely.
Yes.
We're gonna send him off. He's gonna have an awesome day. He's gonna clean that river. Love you, man.
Love you. Then we're gonna meet y'all at Patton's and have some fun.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Have fun, man.
Oh, I'm not gonna.
Okay. Put me on the internet shaking my thing.
Oh, okay.
You gotta catch me when I'm not looking.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, you can do it for us. This is a practice dance. Come on.
It's a private dance with a camera on.
We don't get the private dances with a camera.
Steve, you need to quit following me.
What's y'all?
Hey.
Oh shit, you got a new boat.
Yeah.
You loving it?
I love it.
Yeah.
Hey. Did you have a good ride?
Yeah. Woo.
Where are the puppies?
They're at the camper. They're holding it down. You know how doodles be.
Yeah.
They be doodling.
They be
It's
doodling.
been great. Y'all about to get on?
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, I'm about to go get my stuff and I'm probably gonna do a lower lap. So.
Hell yeah.
Let's do it. Melody! Yeah! Well, hi.
Hey girl, how you doing?
Good. I was just talking about you and your margaritas.
Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah.
I seen y'all come through a while ago.
Here we are.
How are you?
Hey, brother.
Good. Me and Nick are learning R2.
Hell yeah. Good day for that.
I figured it'd be a good weekend. We might try and get on the upper tomorrow.
Okay. We
So-
fluff here. Yeah.
Yeah, everybody's saying Rafts are struggling the other day, and he and I are still working on communication. We paddled it 3 or 4 times there, and then we, now you got me on camera, I don't know what to do.
Yeah, just do your thing.
Just do anything. So anyway, we run a couple laps there in it and decided we're going to run it this weekend and learn how to R2. And not only that, like yesterday we had 2 of our friends' kids. We had 2 kids in the front. We were still catching eddies. So today, while it's just me and him, we're going to try to break down every eddy we can get to, surf it. We're going to try to do everything. See how it goes.
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
Love you, mean it. I'm gonna. Yes!
I
Yeah,
had
congrats,
a lot
sir.
of fun.
Okay.
And only place I had a problem was troll hole.
Yeah.
And I had the perfect line, but
Yeah.
when I hit the hole, I was like all the way sideways. I just threw a brace back and it just put me right back up. And I was like, I swear I thought I was upside down. But other than that, it was clean.
Nice.
Didn't really broach any rocks. Clean lines. And a lot
Congratulations,
of
my friend.
Yes.
Congratulations.
It was awesome. I kissed mine.
She's got her new pretty toy, don't she now?
I know, right? Right? Right?
Might need a push on that part of forward.
I know correctly you before.
That's me.
Look at that. Hey, hey, hey! Has anybody done a count? All right.
Figure it out when we get to the bottom of that.
Drive time, let's go! hands like that, if you actually go up and grab his hands, it stops him from getting his hands smashed or anything like that. So like if he was over, what I would do personally is I would grab him, I'd grab his hands. That's just something that I can grab him and he knows that I have them. You know?
Or, tap the top of their boat, get their paddle, because a lot of people don't realize you're there.
If you tap, don't run your hands flat on the boat. Have them about 3 inches away. That way, when you feel a boat,
you don't get them smashed. We don't need fingers smashed.
Right. Okay, got it.
slap. Whoops, sorry, Mom. Sorry, Mom. I didn't mean to try to take you out. I was just so excited. So excited, I had, you know. Not really, no.
Lazy day on the river, huh?
Oh yeah.
Aren't you Elevated Life Adventures?
We are. Hi. Hey, thank you. Everybody ready? All right. Oh. Okay.
What is it?
David will meet us. Yeah.
lose any boats?
Steve-O went after Bonnie's boat. He got hemmed up on the rocks up there.
Did we lose her boat?
No, she's right there. The play boaters got it. Hi, Noemi. Couldn't get the boat over, so he got hemmed up at the play hole. He swam.
And another one down. And another one down. Another
so
one
many
bites the dust.
boats.
Hey, it's gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust.
I was pulling Piggy one way, and then I saw Bonnie going the other way.
Yeah, I waited to make sure everybody was through first and then came to clean up.
And another one down. Another one down. Another one bites the dust. Hey, they're gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust.
Wow, wow, wow. Now, 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 now. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow.
What's that?
And that's a wrap.